Unleash your inner filmmaker on your Android phone with Pictory.AI, the e-powered video creation tool that puts Hollywood-level editing right in your pocket. First things first, open your preferred web browser on your Android device and navigate to Pictory.AI. You'll need to either log into your existing account or sign up for a new one to get started. Once logged in, explore the main dashboard. Pictory.AI offers several ways to create videos. For this tutorial, let's focus on using an article or script to generate your video. Tap on the article to video option. Now you have two choices. You can either paste the URL of an article directly into the provided field, and Pictory.AI will extract the content, or you can paste plain text from a script you've already written. Let's paste a script for demonstration. After pasting your content, hit the proceed button. Pictory.AI will now work its magic, analyzing your text and preparing to convert it into a video. Pictory.AI will then present you with a selection of video styles and templates. Browse through these visually appealing options and choose the one that best suits the mood and message of your content. Click on your desired template to select it. You're now looking at your video's storyboard. Pictory.AI has automatically selected relevant visuals for each scene based on your text. You can review these, and importantly, you can easily swap out any of the suggested images or video clips by tapping on them. When you tap on a visual, a panel will appear with a vast library of stock footage and images. Search for keywords related to your scene to find alternative visuals, or browse through the categorized options. Simply tap on a new visual to replace the existing one. You can also edit the text within each scene. Tap on the text box, and you'll be able to make any necessary adjustments for clarity or flow. Feel free to find in the captions to perfectly match your video's narration. Once you're happy with your storyboard and visuals, it's time to bring your video to life. Look for the preview button to see how your video looks and sounds, or directly tap generate to create your final video. Pictory.AI will render your video for you, and there you have it, a professional video created entirely on your Android device, all thanks to the power of AI.